Hi, now that your teacher has given you feedback on Blackboard, there are two ways you can go to see your feedback. Go to your Blackboard course and click on My Grades. Scroll down and find the assignment you are working on, whatever the name of that assignment is, and click on it. And then you will be able to see the feedback. So usually the feedback is here. This is your comments from your teacher, and each blue bubble tells you maybe specific details. So there might be comments on there also. Okay, if you want to access it another way, go to wherever the place was that your teacher posted the assignment. Okay, for example, this one was posted here. You'll go back to the same page, so you'll be able to see the comments over here and the small comments in the text. Hope that helps.